Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Kanpur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Kanpur. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Akash Institute. There could be no better option for IIT JEE coaching in Kanpur than Akash Institute. They are a leading and a well-known institute in Kanpur, providing the best coaching in all the competitive examinations including IIT JEE examination. The institution also provides you right guidance, materials, faculty and courses that are required to propel the aspirants' marks. The features of joining this institute is well-described academic journeys, number 2, excellent and experienced faculty, motivational sessions, exhaustive question banks, and finally they also have parent-teacher meetings. Now, the address of this institute is house number 117 NM30 A1 Market, Kakadeo. The contact number of this institute is 8800013102. The batch size of this institute includes 90 to 100 students in a batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Brilliant Tutorials. Brilliant Tutorials was founded with the aim of producing competitive thinking and adaptive teaching approach for the IIT JEE engineering students in Kanpur. Brilliant Tutorials Educational Institute Private Limited is the wing of Brilliant Group of Educational Institute that have been training students for IIT JEE examinations excellently, producing various engineering results each year. Now let us talk about the features of this institution. The very first is systematic study material. Number 2, personalized teaching, pattern-proof teaching, speed test, doubt clearing sessions, and finally they provide you online test series. The address of this institute is Brilliant Tutorials Educational Institute Private Limited, 117N92, first floor, opposite lane of Deki Cinema, Bada Bazaar, Kakadeo, Kanpur. The contact number of this institute is 0786 0786 213 and another number is 0512 250 3670. The course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 1 lakh and their batch size includes 60 to 70 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is RS Institute. IIT JEE aspirants should definitely visit RS Institute once. The strategic pattern makes mentors follow the training process in a different manner. Its sole motive is to enable students who are learning for JEE Mains Plus Advanced in Kanpur. Now let us talk about the details and other details of this institution and why you should choose RS Institute for IIT JEE preparation. Faculties are here that support till the end, higher success rate, well-researched study material, and finally they have webinars. The address of this institute is 117N56 Kakadeo, Kanpur, near New Light Institute. The contact number is 9696019206 and the fee structure is approximately rupees 90,000 for foundation course of 1 year. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Kanpur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.